Look right at me. Woo. Yeah, that smolder. Okay. That's awesome.
Alright, we just got the reins. We're on the way to the venue now. It's Tyson. Here's our episode 1. It's our new guy right here. Welcome to the vlog. Gang, gang. Alright, we're here at the venue. Brian is really nervous. Like, I'm not even getting married. And he over here got me nervous and stuff. We're going there right now. Welcome to the vlog.
Are we recording everything?
We're vlogging.
Oh my god.
Of course. Okay, cool. Yeah. Some water?
Hey, 30 minutes in.
30 minutes in.
How
Feeling
you
much
feel?
better.
Feel better?
Much better, yep.
When you first came here, you was really nervous.
I was nervous. My body was tingling.
Yeah. The water's keeping you down?
Yeah. Seeing the altar, I'm like, okay, I can do this.
All right.
Taking photos too, man. I hope.
Black people problems right here. Yeah. I need a lot of help.
Help me!
Do the work on this lotion applying.
I promise to make new happy memories we can share for a lifetime and be our sunshine when our days get dark. And I also promise to wake up in the middle of the night with you to get water, since you are scared to go alone in the dark.
I promise to be the one to take care of you when you are sick and have a cold. I promise to be your best friend. Thank you for loving and accepting me for who I am, and choosing me to be your wife.
How's the food, Kane?
Freaking awesome.
Is it? What you got?
I love everything.
Sam,
No judging. Oh,
you're 30 minutes into marriage. How do you feel?
feels good.
Yeah?
You know, wedding planning's done. That's all I'm thinking about right now.
So
Next month.
what's next in you guys' journey?
Next in our journey, wait for a year. During that time, we're gonna go travel, and in a few years, maybe you'll see some, your godchildren. Hey.
Oh. How's your food?
Really good. Really good. My groom's missing though, but.
Welcome to the vlog, Jose. Give Brian and Sam a shout out.
Congratulations, Brian and Sam. You guys did it. Welcome to the club.
Better late than never.
What did I say? Hashtag Chao Baby 2020.
There you go.
Brian and Sam, you know what? Congratulations. You guys are perfect together. Keep that same love going. Brian, just say yes to everything. You know, have no opinion. I'm joking.
Congratulations, love you, Sammy and Tino.
I don't know how else to say this, but Sam and Brian, these are two people who could not be more right for each other. And Brian, I know you'll take good care of her, and I know she's in good hands. So I'll just say this. This is a new beginning for you two. Life will continue to throw surprises your way, but come what may, just remember that you guys need to face it together.
When I first met you, I didn't think that, to be honest, you wouldn't be good enough for my older sister. But now,
Hey. Whoa.
But now, I can't think of anyone who could be more perfect. To take care of her. As the first and eldest boy in the family, I never had an older brother. All my life, I listened to Sean, my younger brother, call me Kuya. That means big brother in Tagalog. But tonight, you officially become part of our family, and I'm proud to call you my Kuya.
Just want us to always be.
Hey, the best friend, though. I appreciate everything he does with my brother, man. Straight up.